So I was introduced to gaming through my family. We are a competitive family, and every genre was approachable, right? So whether it was Monopoly or bridge or golf or basketball, we were always playing something. And that kind of family culture was how I got into gaming. Games brought me a lot of my opportunity in life. And by that I mean a specific game, which happens to be the game of golf. I earned my college education through golf. I traveled the world, 26 countries by the time I was 25 years old by the game of golf. And I got my first business job because of the game of golf, which then ended up transferring to an opportunity to represent the sports channel of EA Sports, which is what brought me to games. My role at Unity is to help developers of these amazing stories and this beautiful content, and important content often, make money. And so my title is Vice President of Advertiser Solutions, but what that really means is that I help the developers who build content on Unity, made with Unity, find revenue opportunities through advertising and use tools and services that help them optimize the value of their player experience. I have the pleasure to work in games and also be a mom. I'm able to balance a family life with a career in gaming. I'm able to do that because I deliver results. We are, as an industry, strategic in the sense that is just like the games that we make, right? So we learn through game how to make good decisions, how to be more efficient. I became a master at Farmville because I could use my resources effectively, and hopefully I'm a master at juggling home and work in the same way. The biggest obstacle we address, which is not going to be accomplished today, is the long path of making this industry more interesting to young girls, to getting them interested in math and science, to applying at university, to graduating. And so that's the biggest thing we have to overcome, right? I'm a mom. I get to make that difference in the long haul, with my 8-year-old daughter, and treating her the same as a young boy would be treated, and giving her exposure to interest and the power of this space. This is the most powerful storytelling medium in history. It is more able to approach people emotionally, to capture non-linear stories with really diverse personalities. And so I think women have such a rich opportunity to impact this industry, and we have to help it be more interesting to them. I am sure and drive through my own actions that the way that we make games more appealing and bring more women into games is to commit to hiring women in games. So I don't start interviewing on any role if half my candidates aren't female. Because if you started the process and then you go, oh, I don't have any women in the queue, you're never gonna hire women. And when you don't hire women, women don't bring in their own network as well to help you expand your teams to diversity. So the first most practical thing you can do is to commit to a queue of candidates that have a high density of females, and then start the interviewing. My greatest advice to any young person trying to get into the gaming space is what I say about the game of golf. The hardest thing is to take the shot, not make the shot. So my guidance is, take the shot.